Hello and welcome to Evo India, and what you see right here beside me is the 2025 Yezdi Adventure. It's been updated for the new model year with a bunch of cosmetic updates and a few functional updates, and in this video I'm going to be telling you exactly what's what. Now starting off, as you can see, the overall silhouette of the motorcycle is fairly unchanged over the model that it replaces, but when you come up close you can see a few major cosmetic differences, starting with the front end. You have this new twin headlight setup. Now this is pretty much the same unit as the one that was there in the 2024 model, but what you have over here on the left of it is a projector unit. Now this works as a high beam function, and right below it you can see that the fender, which again is pretty much the same unit, has this new lip skirting sort of thing around it. So again, something to make it look a little more rugged and a little more adventure ready. Now coming up, you have an all new screen. Now Yezdi tells us that this is a patented screen. Why? Because it has a mechanism that if you undo these Allen bolts on either side, you can also adjust the tilt of the screen. So it's not really height adjustable like some other ADVs, but it is tilt adjustable, so it should help with the way the wind buffets around you based on what your size is if you adjust it. Apart from that, you still continue to get the same adjustable instrument cluster. Now moving behind, as you can see, the seat, it looks a little bit reprofiled, the rear seat especially, and coming further behind you also have these new twin headlights set up. Now this twin LED headlights is something that replaces the previous unit, which is a single unit, and again, all in all, I feel like it looks a little more beefy than before. It looks a little more adventure ready than before. Now coming over here, as you can also see, the sump card over here, it has been done in a different metallic shade. This is still a plastic unit, but it's not all black anymore. Apart from that, visually you have multiple new colors to choose from. There are 5 if I'm not mistaken. Now let me quickly tell you what's new on the features front. So on the features front, what Yezdi has introduced on this motorcycle is a switchable traction control mode. So basically what this is a wheel speed sensor traction control system. It's not an IMU based system, but in the off-road mode, when you do go to the settings for your ABS, it also will disengage traction control, so you have a little more control in the other modes, and then when you come to your off-road mode, you have the freedom of not having the intervention of rear ABS or traction control. So for the road bit, it should be a little safer than before. Now coming to what's not very different is the mechanicals of the motorcycle. Powering it is still the same 334cc Alpha 2 engine. The outputs are 29.1 bhp and 29.9 Nm of torque. Now the eagle-eyed amongst you would have noticed that that is a little less than before. That's because this engine is now finally OBD2 compliant, so in that it has lost marginal amounts of power. In terms of curb weight, you have 187 kilo curb weight. In terms of suspension, you have the same long travel units at the front and the rear. You have 220 mm of ground clearance and an 815 mm seat height. Now finally coming to the price. Prices for the 2025 Yezdi Adventure start at rupees 2.15 lakh. That's approximately 5,000 more than the model it replaces, and based on which colorway you choose, it goes up to 2,27,000 ex-showroom. Bookings are open today. Test rides will begin today as well, and it will be available in showrooms very soon as well. Now what do you think about the 2025 Yezdi Adventure? Do you like the cosmetic changes? Do you think something was missed? Do you think something more should have been done? Let us know in the comment section down below, and as always, thank you for watching.